Are you thinking about starting your journey as an Airbnb host but feeling a little overwhelmed? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel, Airbnb Me. My name is Clara, and I've been an Airbnb superhost for 2.5 years. In this video, I'll walk you through all the basics you need to know to get started, step by step, even if you're not very tech savvy. Let's make this simple and stress-free. Before we dive into setting up your listing, let's make sure you have the essentials ready. 1. An email account. You'll need an email to create your Airbnb account. If you don't already have one, you can set up a free Gmail account in just a few minutes. 2. A bank account or payment option. Airbnb will pay you directly, so it's important to have a bank account ready. If you prefer, you can also use options like PayPal or Payoneer to receive payments. If you don't have any of these, start with this step as it may take several days to set up. While waiting, you can continue working on the other steps. 3. A space to rent out. It doesn't have to be fancy. Whether it's a spare bedroom, a cozy guest house, or even just a sofa bed in the living room, your space can be someone's perfect stay. Now that you've got the basics covered, let's talk about creating your Airbnb account. 1. Go to Airbnb's website using my Airbnb referral link. Starting this way will give you a bonus on your first booking. 2. Sign up for an account. Use your email address, and don't forget to create a password you can remember. 3. Set up your payment method. This is where you'll provide your bank details or link your PayPal or Payoneer account. Airbnb uses secure systems, so your details are safe. 4. Start your listing. Airbnb will guide you step by step. You'll add information about your space, like the type of property, the number of rooms, and amenities you offer. Uploading your photos is the main key to a great start. Good lighting makes a huge difference. On my next video, I will guide you through the setup process. Now, here are some tips and things to consider before hitting that publish button on your listing. 1. Set your rules. Decide what kind of guests you want. Do you allow pets? What about children? Make sure to set your house rules to avoid misunderstandings. 2. Research your pricing. Look at similar listings in your area to set a fair price. Airbnb also provides a pricing tool to help you get started. 3. Be honest and welcoming. Describe your space accurately, but don't be afraid to highlight what makes it special. Whether it's a beautiful garden, fast Wi-Fi, or a comfy couch, every detail matters. 4. Be ready to communicate. Guests might have questions before booking. Don't worry, it's as simple as replying to a text message or email. Once your listing is live, congratulations! You're officially an Airbnb host. Here's what to expect next. 1. Your first inquiry or booking. Guests will message you with questions or booking requests. Airbnb has built-in templates to make replying super easy. 2. Preparing your space. Make sure everything is clean and tidy before your first guest arrives. A welcome note or a little gift like snacks or coffee can leave a great first impression. 3. Reviews matter. After each stay, you and your guest can leave reviews for each other. Positive reviews will help attract more bookings. And there you have it. Starting as an Airbnb host doesn't have to be complicated. With just a few steps, you can turn your extra space into a source of income and connect with travelers from all over the world. Remember to use my referral link in the description to get started. It's a great way to earn a bonus with your first booking. Also, you will be able to reach me through the app if you need help. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new tip. See you next time, and happy hosting!